Hello and welcome to this video. I hope you are having a great day. Okay, so the first we're going to deal with in this video are subject and object pronouns. Okay, so let's look at some subjects. Okay, so I, you, he, the man or the boy, she, the woman or the girl, the young girl. It, it can be the cat, the animal, it can be the object, the table, the chair, the computer. We, me and you, they, they, the people, not one person, two or three or four. Okay, so let's have a look at the subject pronouns. Subject I, object becomes me. Subject you, object you. There's no change. He becomes him. She becomes her. It's the same. We becomes our. They becomes them. Okay, so how do we use it? Okay, so here's an example. I speak to you. So I is the subject and you is the object. I speak to you. Okay, let's see another example. So you, subject, you speak to me. Okay, notice you speak to me, object. Okay, notice that object pronouns, they go after the verb. So in here we have the subject. So this is the subject. Let me just make these a little bit bigger. So here we have the subject. Here you speak. Speak is the verb, the action. You speak, you play, you study, you go. Okay, so actions. And here we have the object. Okay, so object. So object, it appears after the verb. So you see, verb, object. So, so for example, here's another example. If I want to say I played with him. Okay, I played with him. Here we go, subject, verb, and after the verb, we have the object. Okay, him. Okay, that's the object. All right, so just make this a little bit. Okay, right. So there we go. All right, so subject, I see John. Object, John sees me. So I see John. Hi, hello, John. John sees me. Oh, hello, Philip. Mm, I see you. Okay. You see me. That's just an example. He sees me. I see him. Okay. She sees me. I see her. Again, subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. Okay. It sees me. Maybe the cat. The cat sees me and he ran away. I see it. I, Philip, I see the cat. I see the cat. I see it. Okay, let's have a look at that one. Let me just put it on here. Okay. So we see you. So me and my friend, we see you. You see us. Okay. You, John and Mary, like two people. You see me. I see you, John and Mary. So I see John and Mary. I see you. So remember, you can be used for one person or more than one person. Okay? It can be used for either. They saw John, the people. My friends saw John. They saw John. They, my friends. John saw them. So John saw my friends. So this is the past of see. See is the present. Saw is the past. Okay, so let's do some exercises, okay? So what we're going to do is we are going to look at the exercises and you're going to pause the video if you can, and then you're going to try it by yourself and then see how it goes, okay? And I'm going to give you the answer, okay? I can't see Mary. I can't see. What do I write in here? What, A, B, or C? So we're talking about Mary, a woman, okay, or a girl. So we write, I can't see. So can we write, I can't see she? No, we can't write, I can see she. No. Why? Because she is subject and not object. And we have, after the verb, we have object, not subject. Okay, so I can see her. Okay, I can see her. Okay, let's look at the next one. Karen is next to Peter. Karen is next to, now, Karen is next to, Peter is a man. So Karen is next to him. Now remember, he, subject, him, object. We need the object, okay? All right, so can you help Peter and Anne? Can you help? Okay, so what are we talking about in here? We're talking about two people, Peter and Anne, okay? So can you help them? So notice that we have here they, subject, them, object. Okay? Okay. Let's have a look at the next one. Drink your apple juice. Drink. Okay, we're referring to the apple juice. So how do we refer to the apple juice? It's it, isn't it? Yeah, it's an apple juice. It's a drink. Okay, so it's it. Drink it. We are going to the cinema. Come with. Okay, what do we use? Well, can I say come with we? No, I can't. I can't say that. Why? Because um, this we have to put the object. So we because come with, oh, sorry, I forgot to put us here. Sorry, that's a mistake there. Come with us. So us, it's referring to, because we is maybe, for example, Rachel and Lucy are going to the cinema, okay? So come with, and Lucy and Rachel are speaking with another person, with Susan, for example. So they are saying to Susan, come with us, okay? These are my bananas. You can't eat. Which one do I use here? Okay. Can I say you can't eat it? Can I say like that? No. Why? Because bananas. Eat is for one banana, but bananas, them. You can't eat them. Okay? Yeah. Carol is at school. She can't come with us. Okay? The cat is under the chair. Can you see? So how do you refer to the cat? Is a it. The cat is a it. But sometimes, if you know the gender of the cat, if you know the gender, what's gender? Gender, it means is a male. That means is a he, or a female. It means is a she. Okay, so if you know the cat and you know it's a male, for example, you might say, can you see him? Can you see him? But if I don't know the cat, I can say, can you see it? Okay, well, let us have a look at this one. Dave can't swim. Help. Now, Dave is a man or a boy. Okay, help him. It's Kate's birthday today. This is a present for, no, Kate, we're looking at Kate. Kate is a woman or a girl. So is a present for her. Where are you? I can't see you. So maybe they are talking on the phone. The windows are open. Close. Okay, what are we referring to? Windows. So more than one there. There's an S there. So we have to use them. Okay? I can't ride a horse. Help me. So because it's referring to I, me, I. Okay? So I, me. Help me. Not help I. Okay? There we go. All right. So what we're going to do in this example here, what I would like you to do is to have a look at this example. Let me just just zoom in a little bit. I would like you to complete the gaps. Okay, complete these gaps with the object pronouns, okay, and the subject pronouns, okay, subject and object. And try it yourself, pause the video, try it yourself first to do that, okay, to do this. Okay, Hello, everyone. My name is Michael. I live in Scotland with my parents and my sister. Let's talk about my parents. I, Michael, I, Michael, I love what goes here. Parents. How do we refer to parents? I love parents. I love them very much because they listen to. So when I speak, they listen to me and help me when they can. Okay? Okay, so what do we write in here? R from Ayrshire. So in here we write, so that's Michael and the parents. Okay? And the sister. Michael, sister, and the parents. So what do we write here? We write the subject. We are from Ayrshire. Ayrshire is the name of the place. Have a look at that one. Have a look at that one. Try it first by yourself, okay? My father works as a car mechanic. So my father. So what subject do we write there? He. He likes to fix things. My father tries to fix everything in the house. My mother said to my father. So what do I write here? Him. My father said to him, please stop fixing everything. You will have a headache. My mother is a nurse. So we're talking about mother. So what do we write here? Subject. She works very hard. I always tell, so verb, after the verb, what goes after the verb? So we're talking about the mother. I always tell her not to work so much. My father likes her beautiful blonde hair very much. So my father likes my mother's hair. So her beautiful hair, okay? Okay, so this is the name of the place, and this is the family. So the family, so we live in Kilmarnock. Family are very happy living in Scotland. So that's me and my family. So what can we use in here? Let's see what we can use in here. Our, that's for we, isn't it? Our. Okay, so let's have a look at that. So our family, that's me and my family. Okay, so that's all for this video for the subject and object pronouns. I hope it's been informative and have a great day. Thank you.